Changing security settings on your device is essential for protecting your personal information and ensuring a safe browsing experience. Follow these steps to adjust your security settings effectively. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings menu on your device. This is usually found by clicking on the gear icon in the Start menu or by swiping down from the top of the screen on mobile devices. Step 2. Navigate to Security. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Security or Privacy and Security. Click on this option to access various security settings. Step 3. Review Permissions. Within the Security section, review the permissions granted to apps and services. Ensure that only necessary permissions are enabled and revoke any that seem excessive or unnecessary. Step 4. Enable Firewall and Antivirus. Locate the options for firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure that your firewall is enabled and that your antivirus software is up to date to protect against malware and other threats. Step 5. Adjust network settings. Before changing your settings, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your device and protect your personal information. Regularly reviewing and updating your security settings is a good practice to maintain safety online.